Windows 12 is the newest version of the Windows operating system. This update brings many changes that are both pleasing to the eye and useful in everyday work. The design of Windows 12 is clean and simple. The Start menu is now in the middle of the screen, and its corners are soft and round. The taskbar has also been changed so that the icons are spaced evenly and move smoothly when you switch between tasks. Every part of the new system has been made with care so that users can work easily and with little effort. The new Windows 12 design uses smooth motions that guide the user when moving from one window to another. These motions are not just for looks. They help show what is happening when a user opens a file or moves an app. The system now lets users arrange open windows in many different ways. This is very useful when one uses a computer on a desktop, a tablet, or a touchscreen device. Windows 12 brings all these ways of working together in one system that is both attractive and full of good ideas. Another important change in Windows 12 is how it works with the cloud. The system is built to work well with cloud storage and cloud computing services. This means that files and apps can be saved and used on many different devices without any trouble. The new system can update itself in the background so that it always has the latest security and new features. The cloud also lets a new digital helper, which uses smart computer ideas to help users with their work. This digital helper can show useful information in real time while the user works. Security is very important in Windows 12. The system has been made to run faster and to use the computer's power more wisely. Background tasks are handled with care so that the computer does not waste energy. Windows 12 now has better ways to keep your data safe. New tools use special hardware to lock your files and to help the system recover quickly if something goes wrong. There are new methods to find and stop dangers on the computer. All these features work together to keep the system strong against new problems. The design of Windows 12 is not only about looks, but also about how things work. Many of the icons, windows, and menus use smooth colors and soft shadows. The background can change slowly when a user touches the screen, giving a feeling of movement and life. This kind of design is meant to make the system feel natural. The icons are arranged in a way that feels open and free, not crowded or hard to read. The smooth design helps the user see what is important and makes the computer feel calm. Many trusted sources have said that Windows 12 is not just a new coat of paint. The new system changes the way the computer works at its very core. Analysts from sites like The Verge and Tom S. Guide have reported that Windows 12 brings many ideas from new ways of working. They say that the new system has learned from past mistakes and now brings new tools and better design to the user. This update takes care to mix new ideas with the old ones that people love. The designers have worked hard to balance new features with a familiar look so that users feel comfortable while using new tools. Windows 12 also makes it easier for older programs to run. The system has a strong layer of support that lets older software work together with new software. This means that users who depend on programs that were made many years ago can still use them. At the same time, the system gives new programs better tools to work with the computer's power. Developers now have more ways to create apps that use the new design and all the extra speed and power of Windows 12. This helps make a computer experience that is smooth and without pauses. Another part of Windows 12 is its help for people who need extra support when they use a computer. The system has made changes to the way voice commands work. The text-to-speech feature has been improved so that words come out clear and true. On-screen text and images are made to be easy to see even in bright light. The system now lets users change the colors and sizes of text and icons to suit their needs. There are many choices so that every user can adjust the computer to work best for them. This focus on making things clear and easy to use is a sign of a system that cares for all its users. Gaming and watching movies have also received a boost in Windows 12. The system supports the very latest in graphics and sound technology. Games and movies can run in high dynamic range, which means that bright colors and deep darks come out with great detail. The system also handles audio in a way that makes sounds come through clear and strong. These features are important for people who like to use their computer for fun as well as work. The improved tools for gaming and movies make the computer a complete device for both work and play. The new settings panel in Windows 12 is also worth noting. It is now organized into clear sections with simple labels, Users can find what they need quickly, whether they are changing the screen brightness, setting up a printer, or checking the computer's security settings. The file management tools are better too. They help users find documents, pictures, and videos in a more logical way. The search function now works faster and finds files with greater accuracy. All these small changes add up to an operating system that is both attractive and very easy to use. Additional reports from trusted sites, such as MacRumors and TechRadar, agree that Windows 12 is more than a simple update. The design shows a mix of new ideas and lessons learned from past versions. Experts say that the designers have tried to make the computer work like a well-oiled machine. They note that every part of Windows 12 has been thought out, from the way icons move on the screen to the way the system keeps files safe. This careful work helps make the new operating system one that is ready for the future. Furthermore, Windows 12 supports many types of devices. It works well on both desktop computers and on tablets that can be used as touchscreens. This means that the same design and tools are available whether a user is working at a desk or on the go. The system helps to create a consistent experience no matter what kind of device is in use. Such a design is important because it lets users switch from one device to another with little learning or confusion. The new Windows 12 also brings improvements that make it more friendly for people who like to work with the cloud. Files can be saved online and shared with others in an easy way. The system makes sure that these files are kept safe with strong encryption. The way updates are delivered has also changed. Updates now happen in the background without disturbing the work of the user. This means that the computer stays up to date with the latest features and security fixes while the user works without interruption. The changes in Windows 12 reflect a strong commitment to making computers work well for everyone. The system is built on new ideas that are both creative and practical. By using smooth animations, soft colors, and easy-to-read icons, Windows 12 makes sure that the computer is not only powerful, but also a pleasure to use. It is clear that every part of the new design has been made with the user in mind. From the clean start menu in the center of the screen to the well-spaced icons and the dynamic window transitions, every detail is meant to provide ease and comfort in every task. Windows 12 sets a new standard for the future of personal computing. It brings together a clear, modern design with strong performance and great security. Every change, from the new layout of the start menu to the way files are managed, shows that the designers have worked hard to make a system that is both strong and beautiful. The update not only makes the computer look better, but also helps it work faster and more safely. This is the new vision for a computer that is ready to meet the needs of today and the challenges of tomorrow.